In this video, I want to show you a new feature in ReviewAZON Pro called the Product Post Queue feature. This allows you to search for multiple products and add them to a queue where then you can come back at a later time and either publish all of those items to the blog, or you can pick and choose which ones you want to publish. And then you also have other options to schedule them to post and to post immediately and that sort of thing. So we'll take a look at that. So to bring up the product post queue, you'll come over here and you'll click on the product post queue link. It'll open up a new tab and then click the Add Products button. Now this is going to bring up our product search dialog, and then essentially what you do is you search for products. And you can come over here on the left hand side and you notice a lot of folders. These are the search indexes that are available for the United States affiliate program. Now if I wanted to get a little bit more granular, all I have to do is click on the arrow to the left of the folder and it'll expand down with additional categories that I can search from. So let's say I wanted to take a look at the best-selling toys in the action and toy figures category. So I double click on the action and toy figures category, which will bring up a new tab, and then I'll come over on the sort order and I'll choose best-selling. I don't want to enter any keywords, I just want to see what all the best-selling toys are without actually searching for anything. So all I have to do is click this search icon here, and it will show me all of the best-selling toys in this section. Now let's say I wanted to add all of these products to my queue. Well, it's pretty easy. You can either individually select them if you just want a few, or if you're doing all of them, then you can choose this checkbox up top, and this will select all of the items here. Notice we're only showing 10 items per page, which is the default for Amazon. So if I click on the Add Selected Products to Queue button, that's going to add them to the queue. Now let's say I wanted to go to the next page and I wanted to add all of these. I'd go through the same process, just click that, or if I only wanted to do the first three, I could just choose the first three and add selected products to the queue. Now something else you can do is you can filter the items by clicking on the product filter options. It's going to bring up a dialog page that shows you the number of items to show per page, only show products with images, only show available products, and then you can also filter by brand, by price, minimum price and maximum price. Now the items to show per page, you can show up to 100 products per page. Keep in mind that for every 10 products we have to make an additional call to Amazon. So by default, Amazon only returns 10 items per page, and each call to a page is one request to Amazon. So if I wanted to do 50, that's 5 calls to Amazon to show 50 products. So now that I've added these products to my my queue, I can go ahead and close the search window, and now this page will refresh showing all the products that I added to the queue. If I wanted to post all of these products, I could just click on this checkbox in the menu here, and it'll select all the products. And now all I have to do is come over to the Publish button and click on Publish. Now there's lots of options here, and as you can imagine, they're pretty self-explanatory. You can choose whether or not you want to post it as a post or a page. If you choose a page, you can choose a parent page if you want to do that. You can choose the posting status. You can either do draft, review, or published immediately. Then you can assign a post user account, whether or not you want to allow comments and pings and trackbacks for this new post. You can choose your Amazon tracking ID if you have multiple tracking IDs set up in the affiliate options section of the ReviewAZON administration panel. You can choose which one you want to use for this action. You can choose whether or not you want to post all the selected products now, or schedule them to post over a period of time, which is commonly referred to as drip feeding. You can click on this and choose a date that you'd like to start the drip feeding process and say how many days you want the post in between each post, or you can choose to have them schedule randomly over time. So if you wanted to, if this is a brand new blog and you wanted to start from January all the way to December for these posts, you can have these posts randomly generated from those two time periods. I'm going to choose selected products, post all selected products now. Categories. You have the option of automatically creating the brand category for each post if you like, or you can enter additional categories that you would like assigned to these posts, one per line. So I could go category 1, category 2. Same way with tags. You can automatically create the product tags based on the post title or the product title, or you can enter individual tags, one per line. Custom fields. If you would like to add a custom field, you can do that too. Adding a custom field will allow you to map a custom field value with a particular custom field name. So if I wanted to create a thumbnail for this for these posts, I could do that. I could enter in the custom field name thumbnail and then choose from a list of options here. I could choose the, let's say, medium image URL, and I could assign the Amazon medium image URL to the thumbnail custom field name, and that would actually be good for some of the WordPress themes that use thumbnails for excerpts. So you could click OK, which it'll add that to here. So every time these posts are generated, it will create a custom field called thumbnail. And then if you wanted to actually add a video to each one of these posts, you could search for it and add it here. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Publish button. ReviewAZON is going to create 13 posts, and we'll start the process. Now that my posts have been created successfully, I can click OK to continue. Now that I've posted all these items, my queue has gone blank, and all those items have been posted to my blog. So we'll go ahead and click over to the blog and take a look at the products that were posted. So as you can see, all those products that we selected in the queue have been posted to our blog. Now if we wanted to, we could come back over here and we could go and take a look at the custom field. We'll just click on one of these and take a look at the custom fields that have been added. See if we can find our thumbnail, and there's our thumbnail custom field that's mapped to our medium Amazon product image. That is the product post queue feature of ReviewAZON Pro.